Watch this video to see how we get fresh, safe drinking water in our van.
Don't swear, you're on camera.
Right. Stop my competition.
Babe, underarm, that's it.
Oh, we're filming.
You didn't put them down by the motorhome?
I'm going to put them down. So in this video we're going to show you something completely different, and it's an amazing game-changing gadget. Something that's going to save you money, something that's going to save you even fuel in your vehicle. It's going to be less weight to carry around. It's going to be better for the environment. So it has a lot of boxes that it ticks, and it's also going to even save space inside your motorhome. And it's going to make the whole camping experience a lot easier as well. It ticks so many boxes, but yet I've never seen any YouTube videos about this product. So the Nature Pure system allows you to take water direct from the main water tank on the van, and it actually turns that water into pure drinking water. So it takes out any of the additives, any of the chemicals, any of the impurities in the water, and turn it into pure crystal clear water. This van's come complete fitted before we bought it, so I can't take credit for the fitting of this, but I will show you how to fit it, of a Nature Pure water drinking system. So you can see in the kitchen area we've actually got two taps fitted. Now this tap here is the main tap, the usual tap. Everyone's got a tap in their vans, which is connected to the main water tank system itself. So that's where we use all our water for washing up. And then we also have this tap, which is part of the Nature Pure water purification system, which is fitted to the side of this tap. And this one dispenses pure drinking water. So it takes out literally all the bacteria, anything that's within inside your tank, any contaminants, chemicals, and it produces pure, fresh drinking water. So that's the system, that's what you see. I'll show you the rest of it underneath the actual sink, and I'll show you exactly how to install it. Okay, so we're down just literally underneath the sink. The setup we've got on this motorhome is right beneath the sink is the fridge. So we've just come off to one side, and I've just taken out the top two drawers from the unit in the van. I've opened up the bottom cupboard. Now I'm going to show you inside so that you can see the actual system itself. Now there isn't a lot to see. All you can see there is the actual filter canister itself, and there's a couple of pipes here. Now this is the main feed, the main cold water feed going to the big main tap on top of the sink, and what we've done there is we've cut into that, we've added a T-piece in, so the water then flows down this pipe into the filter system, back out the filter system up this pipe, and straight up to the pure fresh water tap. Okay, so this is the main cartridge itself that does all the magic, that takes all the impurities out of the water, and what's inside it is almost like a block of charcoal. And this filter needs replacing every 9,500 litres on average. Now we say on average, it depends what the quality of waters are like going into the system, how hard the water is. This actual unit you could put into a river, and it would suck dirty water from the river, remove all the impurities, and give you absolute crystal clear water out of the tap. So it needs changing every 9,500 litres. You'll know when it needs changing, because when you run the tap at the top, the water will start to splutter, your pump will start to go on and off, so you'll know instantly from running the tap up the top when the filter needs replacing. The cost of the replacement filters work out anywhere between £90 and £100 to replace the actual canister itself. But in order to change the actual canisters on the system, they are so simple. You just literally, with the canister you see under the sink unit there, you just literally unscrew the canister, take your new canister, remove the travel cap, and screw the canister in. There's no more work to it. When we talk about the cost, I know people think it's probably going to be quite expensive. So the kit itself is around £350. You can shop around, you might find it a little bit cheaper if you start Googling it, like I usually do, and try and find it cheaper. The replacement filters, I would advise shopping around. They're anywhere between £90 and £110. I know it sounds really expensive, but if you do the maths on it, and you work out that you get 9,500 litres of pure water through that filter. If we work that back into how much it's actually going to cost you, it works out at less than 5 pence for 5 litres of water. Or an easier way to think about it is less than a penny a litre for pure drinking water. So this system saves you carrying all those bottles inside your van, saves you paying £1 in the likes of Tesco's or any of the other supermarkets for 5 litres of water and then throwing that plastic bottle away. It's more convenient because literally for drinking water you just go straight to the tap and turn the tap on, and it's also going to save you carrying all those extra bottles in the van weight wise. We're going to save space in the vehicle rather than you having cupboards full of bottles, and we've had it before as well. We've carried bottles of water in the van and they've leaked when we've got to where we're going. We've ended up with water all over the floor. So it's a more convenient and easier way to get fresh drinking water. Using the pure nature system, we never get any lime scale in the water. It literally removes everything. Feel free to share this video, spread the word about it. I haven't seen any other videos out there on YouTube about this product, and I honestly highly recommend it. So yeah, feel free to share the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give us that thumbs up. Don't forget, leave any comments down below.